Good morning. I once again have to stay home with my daughter who had a close contact at school for the second week in a row. But that's okay. There's a few things that I have been wanting to do that you can easily do on your own. We're going to do a first quarter reflection, and then you're going to choose an artist, either watch a video if you have headphones or read an article about them if you do not, and just answer a few questions. It's always good to hear artists talking in their own words, in their own language, and to see what motivates them. So on Google Classroom, you can start out with first quarter reflections step 1. And it asks you to go to each assignment on Classroom and download a picture of your artwork. And then you're going to rank them by best project, second best, third, and fourth. You do have to explain why your best is your best, and the fourth best is not as successful as the others. Now to do this, just go to a Google Classroom assignment. I'll use an old class as an example. Alright, we can click on one on here and just hit this download button. There you go. Now if you happen to have your assignment in a slideshow, which some people do, or possibly in the document itself, just click on that and hit Control C. Hopefully that did it. And then we can enter it, Control V it into there. And there we go. So we can put this in here, make it nice and large, and then for the first and fourth, answer the question. If you've downloaded them, you simply have to go to Insert Image, Upload from Computer, go to Downloads, click on that, bring it in, and make it nice and large. Fill up the space. Easy peasy. Then, actually I will tell you that now the projects are right here: observational drawing, perspective drawing, abstraction, painting, and then I added the drawing exercises just because that may be your best drawing in there. It also may be in the one drawing you did last Tuesday. So as far as your best drawing, you can look in any of those assignments. Step 2. Go to the first quarter reflection Google form and put your name, the hour, and answer these questions. And yes, this is redundant, but go ahead and answer those. That will give me an overall view, a chart that shows which projects the class did best on. And then answer these questions. I use my time well in class. If you strongly agree, a 1. If you strongly disagree, a 5. Now this is the reflection part. I know what I'm supposed to do each day I attended class. Just to think about where we're at. So the first questions are pretty easy. Just click on a 1 to 5 scale. And then at the end, you are expected to write, to type a little bit, do a little thinking. So not too bad. Something to get us set up for second quarter, right? We want to think about what our strengths are, what some of our weaknesses are, and how we can make second quarter a little better than first quarter. Okay, once you're done with that, then we go to the Artist Choice Board. And all you're going to do is, if you have headphones, again, you can watch a video. If you don't have headphones, you can read the article. So there's a bunch of different artists. Some of them have a link to article. Some of them just the video, but I tried to get lots of articles on there. Choose one that seems interesting to you. And then answer the questions on this Google Doc. Alright, pretty straightforward. A little bit of reflection today. And then we get to listen to some artists speak. And think about, this is kind of the, what inspired them. See if they tell you, why do you think they make art? What motivates them? What excites them? Maybe that will connect with you a little bit and provide you some extra motivation going into second quarter. All right. So hope you have a great day. Take your time. Do these things well. Try to get art vocabulary in where possible. We're talking about shading and line, shape, form, mixing colors, all that sort of thing. It's just good practice. I'll be back tomorrow, and we will get back to our sculptures. All right. I hope you have a great Monday, and I will see you soon.